Hello everyone, in this video we talk about the website name called ifixit.com. This website all kind of phones, tablets, and like gadgets, all kind of gadgets you can, they guide you repair, and also car and trucks uh, repair parts replacement. I'm gonna show you small steps. Okay, so if you have a like a Mac or Apple any kind tablets or iPhones, so if anything happen, you wanna willing to learn, and you can use this video, so use this website and you get more benefits. So this page, so for example, if you have iPhone 6s, you anything happen your phone like a screen or batteries, you can replace yourself. This video on this website help you to replace the screen or batteries, any kind of parts. Okay, and so if you want a parts replacement techniques, you want a techniques. So if you want to learn techniques, you can learn too. So all kind of, if you not only phones, camera too. So if you have a camera, anything happen, do you want to replace some parts, this website help you, trust me guys. Any kind of camera you have, like they have a 38 categories camera repair guide you. Okay, so most of people has a Canon, so you can like 21 categories, what kind of Canons you have. Example, can choose any random. Okay, so replacement guide you. Okay, this one they guide you how replacement the parts. Okay, if you have any question, you can leave your question. And this one's you can have a member, you can one of the member, and free to sign up. And you can, if you have a Facebook or Yahoo or Google Plus, you can connect the link and use it. Okay, so that's all people. So this website really help you more secure, and they teach you everything. So okay, if you have any question about this website, so leave comment below. Like so if you want to more watching video, you want to watch more videos, please subscribe my